small 的人只能看到半个，这两边看不全呢。
是不是我中间留一点点？
这样，这样。
或者你两个放一边呢，会不会好一点？
等一等啊，等一等，我先调一下。
如果两个放一起呢，就半边。
这样是可以的。等一下，等一下，把它调一下。
可能没有指甲。
对呀，现在是没有指甲。不用了，就现在这样吧。
或者这来有一个指甲，或者你加一个。
不用，就这样，是不是这样可以吧？但这样不行嘛，这样可能我一偏过来，这边就成了半边了。
或者就是你这样子放一个，好这样子加一个，这个可以调一个角度。
可以了，给我。这个还没开始直播了，都3分钟。这样对，这样。可以吧？就这样。Hello everyone, I'm Kelly from Noble. Welcome to my live show. Today, and I will show some CNC machining process. There are 5 subjects we show you. I will share with you the application of CNC machining parts, materials, surface treatment, and our machining advantages. The past CNC industry application. Speaking of CNC, I think of intelligent manufacturing. Many intelligent products of structural parts are made by CNC machining. It's widely used in various industries, such as in the aerospace field. Some complex shaped aerospace parts are made by CNC machining, such as engines parts, aerospace structure parts, etc. Due to the high precision and the repeatability of CNC machining and the quality of performance requirements of parts can be issued. In the automotive industry, CNC machining can machine some automotive engine parts, base parts, body parts, etc. Though CNC machining, high precision and consistency of parts can be achieved, improving the performance and safety of vehicles. In the field of electronics, some parts are machined by CNC process. Electronic structure parts, circuit boards, shields, due to the high efficiency and the flexibility of CNC machining, it can meet the rapid development and the production needs of electronic products. In the field of medical equipment, CNC machining can machine medical device parts, precision instrument testing accessories. The high precision and repeatability machining can ensure the quality and safety of medical equipment in the field of molding manufacturing. CNC can machine kinds of molds such as injection molds. The high precision and repeatability can ensure the quality or the safety of medical equipment in the field of molding manufacturing. CNC can machine the kinds of molds such as injection molds, die casting molds, stamping molds, etc. Due to the multifunction of CNC machining, high precision machining of complex molds can be achieved. A brief overview of how it works. Design stage. The process starts with creating a digital 3D model of the part or product using CAD software. Programming. Once the design is finalized, the CAD file is translated into a set of instructions known as G code, which guides the CNC machine on how to move and operate. Setup. The workpieces is mounted onto the CNC machine and the cutting tools are installed in the materials bundle. Execution. The CNC machine follows the programmed instructions to precisely cut the shape and the material according to the design specifications. This could involve milling, turning, drilling, or grinding, depending on the requirements. Quality control. Throughout the process, operators may perform quality checks to ensure the dimensions and surface finish meet the drawing standards. Finishing. After the machining is complete, additional finishing processes such as deburring, polishing, or coating may be applied to the part for improved appearance or functionality. CNC machining offers several advantages, including high precision, repeatability, and the ability to produce complex shapes with tight tolerance. Is an indispensable technology in modern manufacturing. Our company is mainly interested in intelligent manufacturing business and can provide customers with project supporting service, including part machining and manufacturing, and has some rich experience in many innovative fields such as intelligent care products, medical devices, automotive products, robots, and automation equipment. In these industries involved, the parts machining of equipment must be dependent on the CNC machining. If you are interested in our business, you can contact us at any time or leave your contact information. We will contact you after program. We would like to help you with your project. We can machine the parts, joints, or design according to your ideas. Make sample first. After confirmation, start small batch machining or large batch machining. We have professional R&D team, production team, quality control team to provide you with service. Next, let's talk about CNC machining materials. CNC machining materials. About CNC machining materials, here are some of the materials we often machine: steel, aluminum, brass, and copper. ABS, PUM, PMMA, HDPE materials can meet most of your needs. Steel materials as below: 45 steel 304 stainless steel, 316 stainless steel, low carbon steel. About aluminum materials such as 60, 61, 60, 63, 50, 52, 70, 75 aluminum. The first three kinds of aluminum are commonly used in our machining. 50, 55 aluminum is relatively light. Application of stainless steel. Stainless steel is an important metal material with corrosion resistance, high temperature resistance, high strength advantages in various fields, have a wide range of applications. The application areas of stainless steel will be summarized below. The construction field. Stainless steel has important applications in the field of construction. First of all, stainless steel as a building materials can be used to make doors and windows, walls, roofs, and so on. Its corrosion resistance enables stainless steel to adapt to the needs of different environments, where its bright appearance can increase the beauty of buildings. In addition, stainless steel can also be used to make internal decorations such as stair railings, suspended ceilings, etc., adding a modern and fashion atmosphere to the building. About the food industry, stainless steel is widely used in the food industry. Stainless steel material has good hygiene performance, does not produce harmful substance to food, and easy to clean. Meet the hygiene requirements of food machining. Machining stainless steel equipment commonly used in the food industry are stainless steel tanks, stainless steel pipe, and so on. In addition, stainless steel can also be used to make kitchen tools such as stainless steel bowls, knives, and so on. About the chemical industry, stainless steel is also widely used in the chemical industry. Due to its excellent corrosion resistance, stainless steel is often used to make chemical equipment such as reactors, storage tanks, pipelines, etc. Stainless steel materials can resist erosion of various acid, alkaline, and other corrosive materials to ensure the safety and stability of chemical production. About medical equipment, stainless steel also has important applications in the field of medical devices. Stainless steel material has the characteristics of corrosion and high temperature resistance, which can meet the requirements of healthy and durability of medical devices. Common stainless steel medical instructions are surgical instruments, syringes, needles, and so on. In addition, stainless steel can also be used to make artificial joints, implants, and other medical devices to help patients recover. Aerospace stainless steel also has important applications. In the aerospace field, stainless steel has high strength and corrosion resistance, which can meet the material requirements of aerospace spacecraft. Stainless steel is often used to make aircraft structure parts, engine components, gas turbines, and so on. The application of stainless steel can improve the performance and the reliability of aerospace spacecraft and ensure safety and the development of aerospace industry. Energy. Stainless steel is also widely used in the field of energy. Stainless steel has the characteristics of high temperature resistance and corrosion resistance, which can meet the requirements of energy equipment. Stainless steel is often used in the production of nuclear power equipment, thermal power equipment, sonar equipment, and so on. The application of stainless steel can improve the performance and service life of energy equipment and promote development of energy industry. In summary, stainless steel has the advantage of corrosion resistant high temperature resistance, high strength, and has a wide range of applications in construction, food industry, chemical industry, medical equipment, aerospace, energy, and other fields. The application of stainless steel can improve the quality and performance of products, meet the needs of different fields, and make important contributions to the development of society. With the progress of science and technology and the improvement of the process, the application fields of stainless steel will be further expanded and depended. Do you know about the materials of middle steel? Let me tell you. Low carbon steel mainly includes the following types of materials. Ordinary mid steel. This refers to steel with a carbon content between 0.05% and 0.25%. This kind of steel has the advantages of good processability, strong weldability, and low cost, and is widely used in mechanical parts, auto parts, and other fields. Nickel-free middle steel refers to steel in addition to iron, carbon, manganese, other alloying elements content of less than 0.5%. This kind of steel has the advantages of high strength, good toughness, wear resistance, etc., and is widely used in mechanical parts, shipbuilding, and other fields. Mild steel. This refers to low-carbon steel containing trans-alloy elements. This kind of steel has the advantage of high strength, wear resistance, heat resistance, corrosion resistance, etc., and is widely used in automotive parts, building structures, and other fields. Quenched low-carbon steel. This is the steel that adds suitable alloy elements to low-carbon steel and obtains excellent mechanical properties after quenching treatment. This kind of steel has the advantages of high strength, wear resistance, good toughness, etc., and is widely used in bridges and highway tunnels in high and cold areas. High-strength low-carbon steel. This refers to the carbon content of less than 0.25% of the low-carbon steel after quenching or temporary machining to obtain excellent mechanical properties. This kind of steel has the advantage of high strength and good toughness and is widely used in automotive parts. Reinforced concrete and other fields. In summary, low-carbon steel, because of its low strength, low hardness, good plasticity and toughness, as well as excellent weldability and cold plasticity, is widely used in many fields, can meet the application needs of different fields, such as mechanical parts, auto parts, shipbuilding, building structures, and so on. Application areas of low-carbon steel material construction fields. Low-carbon steel pipes are widely used to transport water, gas, etc., as well as building structures, support frame, steel beams, and so on. Manufacturing as a material for mechanical parts, automotive components, tools, and cutters. Occupies an important position in the construction of bridges, railways, and highways. Pipe transportation. Now, carbon steel pipe is used to transport water, gas, and so on. Building components. Now, carbon steel is used to make various building components, such as containers and agricultural machinery. Mechanical parts used to make mechanical parts with low strength requirements, such as chains, rivets, bolt shafts, etc. This application of low-carbon steel benefits from its good plasticity and weldability and are suitable for structures that do not require high strength due to its low carbon content, low strength and hardness, plasticity and toughness. Is suitable for cold plasticity deformation, molding process, welding and cutting machining. Application areas of copper materials. Copper can be made various mechanical accessories such as nuts, screws, bearings, etc. Copper has good machining properties and has high wear resistance, shock absorption properties, so it is suitable for in the field of mechanical manufacturing. In general, copper has a wide range of applications in industry and manufacturing. It has the characteristics of good electric conductivity, corrosion resistance, seawater erosion resistance, and shock absorptions, making it an indispensable material in various fields. In electronic industry, copper is an important material in electronic products such as circuit boards, wires, and so on. Need to use copper because copper has good electric and thermal conductivity. It can help electronic products transmit signals and make them run well. Construction fields. Copper is also widely used in the field of construction. The main used to make roofs, wall panels, and other external decorative materials. Copper has characteristics such as high strength corrosion resistance and is not affected by light and other external factors related to construction, so it can maintain long-term beauty and durability. Ship field. Copper is also widely used in the field of ships. Ships use a lot of copper to make pipes, valves which need to operate stability on the water and need to resist corrosion and seawater erosion. Copper is resistant to corrosion and seawater erosion and can resist high pressure and high temperature conditions. About part fidelity. After CNC machining is the color of the material itself. If you want to make the surface of the part look smooth and beautiful, we can do surface treatment of the part. Make the finish on the surface of part. We can do powder coating, painting, anodize. These colors can be done according to your requirements. After the machining is completed, we will sandblast the parts. Generally speaking, if the customer does not require us what the blasting number is, the sandblasting of the part is 100, the number, and the purpose of sandblasting is to cover the scratches on the surface and the knife marks of part during machining. Of course, if it's the internal part, you also don't need to sandblast parts. Can directly do anodizing. The external part must be sandblasted to cover up the defects of the parts. Let's talk about powder coating. The thickness of powder coating is usually about 0.1 mm, and there are many surface requirements for powder coating, such as smooth texture and glossy. The thickness of the painting is about 0.06 mm. Its thickness is thinner than the powder coating, and the surface not friction resistant to the powder coating. At the same time, it also has a glossy and matte surface. Our service capabilities and advantages is to provide one-stop service by integrating our own machining capabilities and industry manufacturing resources, including some project support from order to production quality testing, assembly, packaging, delivery. We have professional service for your projects. My share is here for now. Is there anything you need to know about CNC machining? If not, my colleague will share it with you. Welcome to Fiona. And hello everyone, this is Fiona, and let's continue our lives. Today we want to share with you 3D printing, and the first question is what 3D printing is. In recent years, there has been groundbreaking technology. It has emerged that it is reshaping the landscape of manufacturing and designs. That is 3D printing. 3D printing is also known as additive manufacturing. It is a process of creating 3D dimensional objects from a digital model or designs. There is a difference between traditional manufacturing and 3D printing. The traditional manufacturing involves subtracting materials through cutting and molding. 3D printing machine parts layer by layer and adding materials until the final object is formed. It offers a completely new manufacturing method. It enables the production of complex geometry, customized 3D printing machine parts by adding materials layer by layer, and it offers a completely new manufacturing method. It enables the production of complex geometry and custom designs and rapid prototyping. The 3D printing process can be summarized into 5 steps. Create a 3D model, use a CAD software. Of course, a 3D model can be created with a 3D scanner, and the model defines the shapes, size, and the complex of the final product. And the digital model is sliced into thin horizontal layers using specific software. These are the blueprints for a 3D printer, and the machine uses this to guide into movement and material deposition, machining parts layer by layer, and depending on the specific 3D printing technology, various materials can be used, such as plastic, metal, and even food-grade materials. The materials selection depends on the required
property and the complication of the parts. The 3D printer machines parts according to the instruction from the slide model. Materials is deposited or solidified layer by layer, gradually building up the part. This can be achieved through techniques such as FDM, SLA, SLS, and others. Once the printing process is complete, the object may require finish treatment, such as painting, polish, and other surface treatment. It achieves the desired and functionality. The third question is what 3D printing's advantage and disadvantage. Firstly, we talk about the advantage. 3D printing can create complex geometry and internal structure. It also can create custom designs. For example, designs are difficult or impossible to achieve with traditional manufacturing. It frees designers from the limitation of traditional tools, and it opens up a innovation. And 3D printing enables the quick and cost-effective production of prototypes. It allows designers and engineers to validate their designs and test function. This speeds up the product development cycle and reduces time to market. The initial investment in 3D printing equipment can be significant, but it offers cost efficiency in various ways. It minimizes materials waste by adding materials only where needed, and it does not need complex tooling. It allows for on-demand manufacturing, reduce inventory cost, and enable just-in-time productions. With 3D printing, customer parts can be easily created by modifying digital model, and this capability is especially valuable in industries such as healthcare, fashion, and consumer goods. Examples including dental braces, footwear, and personalized accessories. 3D printing excels in manufacturing complex parts and assemblies, including those with internal cavities, intricate features, or movable components. Then we will talk about the disadvantage of 3D printing. There are an increasing number of materials available for 3D printing, but it's still more limited than traditional manufacturing process. Certain specialized materials or combination may be not available for 3D printing, so it limits material selections for specific application. 3D printing machines and materials differ in performance from traditional process. So the surface finish of 3D printing parts is lower, and then that of traditionally manufacturing parts. Additionally, 3D printed parts may have lower mechanical strength and durability, especially in certain materials or process such as CNC machining. And 3D printing can be a relatively slow process. It will take more time for larger or more complex objects. It can be a limitation for large-scale production or time-sensitive projects. The initial invest cost for 3D printing equipment can be significant. The cost is higher for printers that can handle larger or more complex parts. Additionally, the cost of materials maintenance and post-processing can add up. It makes less cost-effective and certain application of high-value productions. And the next question is if 3D printing is cheaper than manufacturing. 3D printing is indeed cheaper in the following situations. Firstly, 3D printing is often more cost-effective for rapid prototyping and small batch productions. And secondly, if a design has complex geometry or details, 3D printing is more cost-effective. And next, 3D printing can be competitive for small to medium production volumes, especially customization or on-demand production is required. And next, we will share the application of 3D printing with you. 3D printing have found applications across a wide range of industries. The first is the prototyping and the product development. Rapid prototyping using 3D printing enables faster design, and it can reduce cost and time in the product development cycle. And the second is automotive. 3D printing is used to produce lightweight and complex parts for some industries, such as aircraft and automotive parts. It can enhance performance. And the third is healthcare and the biomedical. 3D printing can be used to produce custom medical implants and surgical tools. And the next is education and research. 3D printing is used to create visual aids and prototype scientific models. And finally is constructions. 3D printing can be used to create complex model or building components, and it can be used to create even entire structures. And next, let's learn about the difference between SLA and SLS. SLA and SLS are distinct material options and find application in various industries. SLA primarily liquid resins. It comes in a wide range of options, such as standard resins and the engineering grade resins, and even flexible or transparent resins. SLA is particularly suitable for producing high details prototypes, such as the dental model and intricate visual models. SLS normally use the powdered materials, such as nylon and other engineering grade materials. It is used to produce functional prototypes and use parts and complex geometries. It allows even small batch production in industries such as automotive, aerospace, and custom parts. And SLA provide high resolution printing. It It allows for intricate details and smooth surface finish. It excels in producing visually stunning models with exceptional dimensional accuracy. SLA is suitable for applications that define details and high-quality prototypes. SLS offers greater design freedom because it does not require support structures and can produce complex geometries. SLS is known for its durability and functional prototypes. It has a great ability to work with a wide range of materials. SLA printers are generally more affordable than SLS printers. It is accessible to a wide range of users. However, the cost of resin materials can be higher compared to SLS powder materials. SLS printers typically have a high initial investment cost. However, it offers a low material cost per part due to the use of powder materials. And SLA and SLS are two distinctive 3D printing technologies. Each one has each set of advantage and application. SLA excels in high-resolution printing and details prototypes. SLS offer greater design freedom and durability. SLS also can offer a wide range of engineering-grade materials. And except SLA and SLS, the FDM is the third part for 3D printing. And there are advantages of FDM. The first is a wide range of materials options, including ABS and the And the second is more affordable and cost-effective than other. And the third is no need to use irritably. And the finally is suitable for rapid prototyping functional parts and concept models. But there are some limitations of FDM, such as compared with SLA and SLS, the surface usually has the structural texture and the limited ability to produce complex details and complex geometry. And that's all we want to share with you. Our company is mainly engaged in intelligent manufacturing business. We can provide customers with project supporting service, including parts, machining, and manufacturing. And we have some rich experience in many innovative fields, such as intelligent care products, medical device, automotive products, robots, and automation equipment. If you are interested in our business, you can contact us at any time. And you also can leave your contact information. We will contact you after program. We'd like to help you with your project. We can machine the parts according to your joints and we also can design just according to your ideas. Making samples for you firstly, and after confirmation, start small batch machining or large batch machining. And we have a professional R&D team, production team, quality control team to provide you with the good service. Our company is mainly engaged in intelligent manufacturing business. We can provide customers with project supporting service, including parts machining and manufacturing. And we have some rich experience in many innovative fields, such as intelligent care products, medical device, automotive products, robots, and automation equipment. If you are interested in our business, you can contact us at any time, and you also can leave your contact information. We will contact you after program, and we would like to help you with your project. We can machine the parts according to your joints, and we also can design just according to your ideas. Making samples for you firstly. After confirmation, start small batch machining or large batch machining. And we have a professional R&D team, production team, and quality control team to provide you with service. Our company is mainly engaged in intelligent manufacturing business. We can provide customers with project supporting service, including parts machining and manufacturing. And we have some rich experience in many innovative fields, and such as intelligent care products, medical device, automotive products, robots, and automation equipment. If you are interested in our business, you can contact us at any time, and you also can leave your contact information. We will contact you after program. We would like to help you with your project, and we can machine the parts according to your joints. and we also can design just according to your ideas, making samples for you firstly, and after confirmation, start small batch machining or large batch machining. We have a professional R&D team, production team, quality control team to provide you with service. And that's all we want to share with you, and see you next week.